Professional tile cleaning in Edinburgh. Restore your floors today. Are your floors looking dull, stained, or impossible to keep clean? No matter how often you mop, the dirt just won't go away. We specialise in professional tile and stone cleaning across Edinburgh. Whether your marble needs polishing, your travertine is soiled and ugly, your limestone is dull and grimy, your terrazzo needs restoration, you have dull, unattractive slate floors, your Victorian tiles need restoration, you have dirty quarry or terracotta tiles, or your porcelain tiles and grout need a good clean. We bring back their natural beauty with expert deep cleaning and restoration. Our advanced techniques remove deep-set grime, stains, and years of wear without damaging your floors. We also apply high-quality sealants to protect your tiles, making future cleaning easier and your floors last longer. Don't replace your floors, restore them. Call us today at 07533 873 476 or visit our website to book your free consultation.